As you know, mankind has been causing a disastrous damage to nature and also the ecology of the earth. We, Kyoritsu, give top priority to the protection of the environment and continue our efforts to realize the goal of a recycled-type society as an environmentally conscious company. In such a critical situation, it is an urgent task for us to effectively realize the 3R principle: reuse, reduce, and recycle. We can propose one solution of how to protect the protection of the earth, utilizing our 50 years of experience and know-how in this field. We can provide the most efficient equipment and systems to meet such needs. Thus, we can help our customers to increase their own environmental activity by reducing their environmental load and also treatment costs. For example, we believe that such efforts will lead to establishing a recycle-type society on a global scale.
Kyoritsu can provide a technology to flexibly design and manufacture the equipment to recycle wastes, which can be installed even in a limited space of customers.
Let us then explain our original drying equipment, which can realize the most efficient recycling process. Kyoritsu Dryer System. This equipment can treat food garbage and sludge generated at food processing companies, medical facilities, hotels, and construction industries, etc., to reduce its volume to 1/5 in a short period of time. Its output can be utilized either as feedstock for domestic animals or fertilizer.
We have recently successfully started Eco-Feed project in Hyugo Prefecture, which testifies to our cutting-edge recycling technology. Japanese food self-sufficient ratio is the lowest among advanced countries, and moreover, we depend on import for most of our feedstock for animals. Unfortunately, however, most of food wastes and expired materials are dumped. So there is a stronger call for recycling such materials to effectively use limited materials on Earth. Major characteristic is our capability to dry wet materials safely to comply with manufacturing standards, to meet HACCP standard, and to ensure traceability of materials.
We have so far supplied such equipment to more than 100 customers all over Japan, which have been operated satisfactorily. And now let us explain specifically what was introduced to the Prince Hotel in Tokyo. First, food garbage generated at the restaurant of the hotel is put into the crusher, carried on the hopper together with packing and vinyl sheets, etc. Just push the button and it can be automatically separated from packing materials and sent to drying operation. We can remove foreign materials from food garbage as a pre-treatment facility of dryer. It can realize more than 95% separation rate in terms of both weight and bulk density, and can treat a large volume quite quickly into a relatively compact size. You will be surprised to see that even metallic knives, forks, and spoons, and also ceramic containers can be successfully separated. Such high efficiency and durability is the very reason to justify our supply of equipment to many customers, including government bodies. Our dryer is very simple and compact in size, as it can both crush and dry at the same time. One feature is the use of a specially shaped blade rotating to prevent corrosion of the materials as it can be dried. Also, we can shorten the drying time to contribute to energy savings. For example, we have successfully dried such materials as bean sprouts, rice noodles, rice, potatoes, and oily food garbage, which are said to be difficult to dry. Another feature is the safe operation, which is free from fire as it uses indirect heating systems. Also, it is able to operate for 24 hours without manpowers, with continuous batch operation. Now the dried output is available treated by our systems. It is only 20% of the weight of the original food garbage and can be stored for a long time in its dried condition. So it can be utilized either as feedstock for domestic animals or fertilizer. Isn't this a perfect solution to realize the 3 R's? Our customers can enjoy the following advantages if they introduce our equipment and systems.
We can enjoy reduction of treatment costs and generation of new materials as output becomes of value.
Meet related regulations and ISO 14000. No need to issue a manifest because they become valuables instead of wastes. Improve corporate images who prioritize environment.
Then let us explain our equipment. Separating and crushing equipment. With this equipment, we can successfully separate PET bottle body from its cap, label, and crush big-size food cans and separate food from its packaging. Carbonizer equipment. Depending on input materials, the equipment can automatically judge operation time. Also equipped with CO2 gas and temperature measurement apparatus that automatically records gas amounts and temperatures. You can just push a switch button to see its output automatically after carbonizing. Continuous operation makes it possible to realize energy saving of larger volume and also generates new energy by utilizing waste heat. Fermentation tank. It can produce high-quality fertilizer using less energy and smaller space. Since fermentation heat comes out, we can use almost no energy to operate the equipment. With automatic feeding and drain out, we can realize manpower saving and also automatic operation to control temperature in the tank. In addition, we can realize automatic feeding as the total process is a continuous operation. Biomass boiler. We can provide biomass boiler using biomass energy like food wastes, used oil, waste wood, etc. to generate steam and hot water.
Summing up, we can say that Kyoritsu can provide a totally tailor-made system to meet specific needs to customers, and also going through cost reduction by total designing of the system. We can make a total solution to propose planning, design, manufacture, and operation of whatever industrial wastes the customer may have to contribute to development of the recycling business. Thank you very much for your attention.
Message from the President. Motainai is a key word for the world now. We at Kyoritsu also strive further to promote recycling campaigns. By our profound experience as an environmental equipment innovator, we are certain that our system contributes to better preserve our life on a world scale. Satomi Ueno, President, Kyoritsu Company Limited.